Good morning students. Once again welcome back in maths class. As you know we are doing chapter 8 exercise 8.5. Okay, till question 5 we have done already in the previous class. Today we will do question number 6, that is word problem. Okay, so let me start question number 6. So question 6 is there, solve the following problems. So here you have to solve these word problems. So A part is there. Roma has a gift box of length 20 centimeter, breadth 14 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Find the volume of the box. So here you have to find the volume. So as you know the volume formula, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and all three things are given here, length, breadth and height. So first of all we will start solution. So write here solution. Length equals to 20 centimeter. Now breadth, how much breadth is there? Breadth equals to 14 centimeter. Now after that what we have? Height. Height is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we should find volume. So what is the formula of volume? Volume L into B into H. L multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now put the value. Length is 20 multiplied by breadth is 14 and multiplied by height is 10. Okay. So 20 multiplied by 14. So as we know 42 jar 28. So it's become 280. 14 0 jar 0, 42 jar 28. Now which is left? 10 is left. So multiply by 10. Now 280 multiplied by 10. So it's become 2800. Now what is the unit of volume? Cubic. So we write here cubic, and which unit is there? Centimeter. So cubic centimeter. So the volume of boxes. So the volume of box is 2800 cubic centimeter. That's your answer. Clear? So that is your answer. So like this you will complete A part. Now we will do its B part. B part. Sameer has a lunch box which is 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide and 4 centimeter high. Okay. This is the measurement of Sameer's lunch box. Then Saran's lunch box is 10 centimeter long, 4 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter high. जो सरन है उसके लंच बॉक्स का मेजरमेंट है 10 centimeter long, 4 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter high. High means height. Okay? जैसे हमारे पास ये होता है तो this one is height. Solid object है, लंच बॉक्स ऐसे होता है इस शेप में. जैसे आपका डस्टर है, like this you have lunch box. So this one is the height, this is the length and this is the breadth and this one is the height. ये क्या होती है? height. ऐसे ही आपका lunch box होता है तो this one is the height, जिसके अंदर आप lunch box रखते हैं तो जो वो space होता है that is height. Okay, so there is given measurement. Clear? Now find the volume of both the lunch boxes and find which has a bigger volume. You have to find the volume of both lunch boxes. जो two lunch box दे रखे हैं Sameer and Saran's. So we have to find their volume and find which has a bigger volume. फिर आपको बताना है कि किसका जो volume है वो big है. Okay? So first of all we should find their volume. So let me start solution. Now first of all, length of Samir's lunch box. So firstly we write here length of Samir's lunch box. So what is the length of Samir's lunch box? 8 centimeter. Long means length, wide means breadth. Okay, so length is 8 centimeter. Now breadth equals to how much? 5 centimeter wide. Wide means breadth. So 5 centimeters breadth. Now what's given here? Height. Height means height. So height equals to 4 centimeter. 2 is of surrounds. So 4 centimeter. This one 4 centimeter. Now what will we do? We should find its volume. So volume of lunch box. So we find here volume. So what is the formula of volume? L into B into H. L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. Put the value 8 into 5 into 4. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 multiplied by 4. Now we multiply by 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 4s are 16. 160 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of whose lunch box? Samir's lunch box. Okay. This is the volume of Samir's lunch box. Now here we find volume of Saran's lunch box. Second is Saran. So first of all we write length of Saran's lunch box. Here we will write length. You will write downside. आप इसके नीचे write करेंगे. I have no space downside. That's why I am writing the side. But you will write downside of this. इसके नीचे आप Saran का find करेंगे and then you have to compare. पहले आप find करेंगे volume and after that you will compare who's big and who's small. So here I am finding Saran's. So length of Saran's lunch box equals to how much length of Saran's lunch box? That is 10 centimeter long. So we write here 10 centimeter. Now after that 4 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter high. So breadth equals to 4 centimeter and height equals to 2 centimeter. So these are the length, breadth and height. Now we find its volume. So what is the formula of volume? Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. In the short we write it L into B into H. Now put the value. Length is 10, breadth is 4, height is 2. 10 fours are 40, multiply by 2. Now 42 are 80 cubic centimeter. Now this is also centimeter and this one is also centimeter. Both are in centimeter. So that means same unit is there. We can compare now. Its volume is 160 cubic centimeter and Saran's lunch box volume is 80 cubic centimeter. So which one is big? 160 is big. So that means Samir's lunch box volume is greater than Saran's lunch box. यहाँ पे bigger बोला है तो आप bigger write करेंगे. Greater होता तो greater. So which has a bigger volume? Saran's lunch box. So volume of Saran's lunch box is bigger than volume Samir, not Saran, Samir's lunch box is bigger than whose lunch box? Saran's. किससे बड़ा है? समीर का जो लंच बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम है that is bigger than Saran's lunch box. So it's bigger than Saran's. As we will write here capital because these are the name. Saran's lunch box volume. Okay, so volume of Samir's lunch box is bigger than Saran's lunch box volume. जो सरन के lunch box का जो volume है उससे bigger है इसका समीर का. Clear? पहले आपको both का volume find करना है and after that you have to compare and then you will write this sentence. So your question complete. Now we'll do C part. Now C part. A wall has to be built with length 10 meter. Built means banana. A wall has to be built with length 10 meter. Length जो है उसकी वो 10 meter. Thickness. Thickness means क्या होता है? Breadth. Breadth is 5 meter. And height. Height 8 meter. Okay. So find the volume of the wall in cubic meter. अब आपको volume निकालना है wall का in cubic meter. So their unit is given already meter. So our answer will be in the volume always in cubic. So our answer will be in the cubic meter. So let me start solution. First of all, length of wall. So we write here length of wall. That's equals to 10 meter. Now after that thickness. Thickness means width. Breadth. Okay. So we write here breadth equals to 5 meter. Now after that height. Height equals to 8 meter. So everything we have written length, breadth and height. For the volume we require these three things. When we find volume, so we require length, breadth and height. So we all have all three things have. So now we can find volume easily. Volume of wall. So we write here volume of wall. So that's equals to length multiply by breadth multiply by height. In the short you can write L into B into H. Clear? Now we put the value. This is E. L E. Okay. So now we put the value 10 into 5 into 8. All are in meter. We should check the unit also. All are in meter. So now there is no required to change anything. Now we can do multiplication. So firstly 10 5s are 50. Now multiply by 8. Now 50 multiply by 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. So it's become 400 cubic meter. Cubic meter. If we have here different unit, suppose length is in meter, breadth is in centimeter, so we have to convert them. Firstly, we should make length, breadth and height in the same unit and then we have to find the volume. There in all question we have same unit, but if anywhere you have different unit, so firstly you will make them same and then you have to find the volume. Clear? So now volume of wall is 400 cubic meter. So we can write here. So volume of wall is 400 cubic meter. That's your answer. So like this you will solve the C part. Now D part. Find the volume of the cube whose as is 8.8 centimeter. Here as given. As means क्या होता है? Side. Which are the as? Suppose you have a cube like this. Suppose this is the shape of cube. Okay, this is cube. In this you have edge. These are called edge. Okay, in cube and cuboid, these are called edges, and we can say that side. So these are 8.8 centimeter. Okay, all are 8.8 because in cube we have all edges are equal. So these edges are known as side. These are called side also, and edges we call, and we call it a side also. Clear? So now we find there is volume of cube. There is given edge, means आपको edge given है and you have to find volume. So you know the formula of volume of cube. So let me start solution. Edge, at the place of edge we will write here side. Okay, edge भी आप write कर सकते हो. So we write here side of, and in the bracket we can write a edge. Okay, because edge and side both are same of cube. That's equals to 8.8 centimeter. Now we find volume of cube. Volume of cube. So what is the formula of volume of cube? Side into side into side. So we write here side multiply by side multiply by side. Now put the value 8.8 multiply by 8.8 multiply by 8.8. So now we can do multiply. So here you can do, otherwise here you can show the multiplication. As you wish, you can show the multiplication. So here we will do 8.8 multiply by 8.8. 8 8s are 64. We write here 4 and 6 goes carry. 8 8 are 64. Again 64 plus 6 because 6 are carried. So 64 plus 6 is 70. Okay, we write here 70. Now we cross ones column. Again we are multiplying by 8, so product will come 704. So we write here 407. Now we add them 4 4 7 7. Now we count the decimal place in the question. So there is 2 decimal place. One is there, one is in multiplier. So 1 plus 1 2. So in the answer we will take 2 decimal place. 1 2. So it's become 77.44. But our product is not finished. There two numbers product is 77.44. Multiply by 8.8. अभी हमारा finish नहीं हुआ है because we multiply 8.8 by 8.8. So this is the product of 8.8 multiplied by 8.8. Now this is left 8.8. So again we multiply 77.44 multiplied by 8.8. Again 8 4s are 32. Okay, थोड़ा सा हम इधर ही कर लेंगे. 8.8 we write like this. 8 4s are 32. 3 goes carry. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 35. 3 goes carry. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 3 59. 5 goes carry. Now 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 5 61. We write here 61 because digits are finished. Now we cross ones column. Again we multiply by 8. So the same product will come. So we can repeat it same. 2 5 9 1 6. Now we add them. Okay. Now we add them. So now add 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry. There is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. And there is 6. Now we count the decimal places. 2 is in multiplicand and 1 is in multiplier. So 2 plus 1, 3. So we'll take here 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So here we will take decimal. So it's become 681.472. So write here 681.472. Now cubic, because this is volume. And which unit is there? Centimeter. So we use here centimeter, cubic centimeter. Now we can write, so volume of cube is, so the volume of cube is, the volume of cube is 681.472 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. That's your answer. Clear? So like this you will solve D part. Now after that we will do E part. Now E part. If the volume of a cuboid is 3000 cubic meter. Volume is given to you. Volume of cuboid 3000 cubic meter. And the area of the base of the cuboid. जो बेस है उसका एरिया इज 300 स्क्वायर मीटर. बेस का एरिया आपको दे रखा है. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड. सो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट. ओके, अब हाइट हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? लुक हियर, दिस इज द क्यूबॉइड. अब आपके पास बेस क्या है? दिस इज द बेस, जो नीचे जैसे ये आपको दिख रहा है. सो दिस वन इज द बेस. नाउ इन बेस एरिया व्हाट वी हैव? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. Then we find its base area. ये जो बेस है इसका एरिया हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. ओके, ये लेंथ जो है इसको हम ब्रेथ से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दैट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस बेस. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड वॉल्यूम. सो फॉर द वॉल्यूम व्हाट वी डू? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. ओके, वॉल्यूम क्या होता है क्यूबॉइड का आपके पास? L into B into H. That's equals to volume. अब आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में वॉल्यूम ऑलरेडी गिवन है 3000. क्लियर? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. जो बेस एरिया है, बेस एरिया मींस लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. देन दिस इज द बेस एरिया. सो बेस एरिया मींस आपको लेंथ और ब्रेथ का मल्टीप्लिकेशन गिवन है. दैट इज गिवन टू यू 300. एंड नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड H, हाइट. तो अब आपको हाइट को अकेले को यहाँ पे रखना है. ओके, और 300 इट इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो वी विल ब्रिंग इन सेकंड साइड. इसको हम सेकंड साइड में लेके आएंगे. सो व्हेनेवर वी हैव इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो व्हेन वी ब्रिंग इन सेकंड साइड, सो इट्स सिंबल चेंज. दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन बिकम डिवाइड. सो हाइट दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 3000 upon 300. So what's formula come from here? That's L into B comes downside. Okay, so that means volume upon area. L into B means क्या था? Area. L into B that's equals to area. So volume upon area that's equals to height. Okay, so this rule we follow in this question. So let me start our solution. Here is given volume of cuboid. So first of all, solution, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is what? 3000 cubic meter. 3000 cubic meter. This is volume of cuboid. Now area of base of cuboid. Now we write here area of the बेस को हम बोलते हैं सरफेस एरिया, इसको हम सरफेस एरिया भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ द बेस ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड, जो बेस का जो एरिया है दैट इज 300 square meters. We write here 300 square because area always in square meter. This is the surface area. We can see that area of the base. So now we find height. Height equals to volume upon area. Volume upon area of the base. Area of base. Area of base. Now put the value. Volume is how much? Volume is 3000 and area is 300. Now we can cancel 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. Cancel. So it's there is left 10 and there is 1. 10 upon 1. That's equals to 10. And which unit is there? Meter. So we use here meter. So what's our height? 10 meter. So height equals to 10 meter. That is your answer. Okay. Now put on your thinking cap. Here first question is a 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter picture is put in a frame. Picture को किस में डाला? Frame में. Of 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter. So this is the length of frame and this is the breadth of the frame. And this is length of picture. 15 centimeter is length and 10 centimeter is breadth of the picture. Clear? So does the picture take up less or more of the area than the frame? So you should tell that picture take less or more of the area. जो picture है वो less area ले रही है या more area ले रही है, that you have to tell. So by this you can get that which take more area. Frame is 18 centimeter by 12. जो frame है उसकी length भी big है and breadth is also big. And picture length is smaller than frame and breadth is also smaller. So its area also will be smaller and frame area will be larger. So that means picture take less and frame take more. So what we write here? Picture take up less. Okay, less of the area than the frame. Clear? Then the frame. This is your answer. Because picture is taking less. Without finding, we can tell that picture is taking less and frame is taking more. So we will write picture take up less of the area than the frame. Clear? Now second is there for the adjacent figure. Adjacent मतलब जो side में दे रखा है, that figure work out the following. आपको ये questions given है, you have to give their answer by watching this figure. इस figure को आपको देखना है and you should give the answer of these questions. So A is there. Find the volume of given figure. अब आपको इसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. सो हाउ यू विल फाइंड? बाय काउंटिंग द बॉक्सेस. लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 8.5. 8.5 के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जैसे आपने बॉक्स को काउंट करके वॉल्यूम फाइंड किया था, सेम वे यू विल काउंट द बॉक्सेस. सो हाउ यू विल काउंट? आप टॉप को ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आप टॉप के बॉक्सेस काउंट कर लेंगे एंड देन यू विल सी हाउ मेनी लेयर इज देयर. सो यू विल सी this is the one layer, first layer. So how many box in first layer? There is 4 layer. 1 2 3 4. 4 layers बनी हुई है आपके पास. ये पूरी 1 layer है ऊपर. ओके, यहाँ से ये जो है ये 1 layer है and this is the second layer and this is third and this is fourth. So 4 layer is there. So in one layer, how many boxes? So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in one layer, 16 boxes and there is 4 layer. So how we will find volume? 16 into 4 because total layers are 4 and in one layer there is 16 boxes. So 16 fours are 64 cubic unit. Because there is not given meter, centimeter, nothing is there. So we will write here unit. Cubic unit. Whatever unit is there, meter, centimeter, whatever is there, that we have to write. Okay. Now B part. Remove the top layer and find the volume. अब जो टॉप की लेयर है, ऊपर वाली जो लेयर है, इसको रिमूव कर दो, वन लेयर को हटा दिया हमने. सो नाउ वी फाइंड द वॉल्यूम. अब जो नीचे 3 लेयर्स बच रही है, इनका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करेंगे. तो वन वॉल्यूम जो वन लेयर है उसमें 16 बॉक्सेज है. अब वन लेयर हमने हटा दी तो 16 बॉक्स कम हो गए. अब 3 लेयर बच गई, वन लेयर को हमने हटाया तो 3 लेयर लेफ्ट, 1 2 3 एंड इन वन लेयर देयर इज 16 बॉक्सेज. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? 16 into 3. ओके, because one layer we remove. So 16 3s are 48 cubic unit. Cubic unit. Okay. Then next, जो C part है आपका, next is C part. If the figure had one more layer, अगर इसमें एक और layer ऐसे बना दी जाए, ऐसी same layer, one more layer, what would be the volume of the रिजल्टिंग फिगर? जो फिगर बनेगा उसका क्या वॉल्यूम होगा? तो वन लेयर और बढ़ा दें. अब वन लेयर में 16 बॉक्स है, इसमें वन मोर लेयर, इसके ऊपर एक और लेयर आ जाए तो 4 लेयर्स का वी नो, 3 लेयर्स वी नो. अब वन मोर लेयर, दैट मीन्स 5 लेयर विल बी देयर. ओके, सो 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 बिकॉज इन वन लेयर देयर इज 16 बॉक्सेस एंड वन मोर लेयर. अब हम एक और लेयर बढ़ाएंगे तो 4 ऑलरेडी है, one more will be there, so that will be 5. So 16 into 5, so 16 5s are 80 cubic unit. Okay, that will be your answer. So like this we have to solve. आप ऐसे कि one layer में कितने boxes, that you have to count, and then how many total layer, कितनी यहाँ पे total layer है, by that you have to multiply, so you can find their volume. So like this your chapter is complete. You will complete your exercise and put on your thinking cap that you will do in the book. Okay. Thank you.